So hello everyone, namaste, and today I will show you how to use PowerPoint. PowerPoint आप सबको पता होगा क्या होता है, what is PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा how to make your PowerPoint presentation more attractive using different tools in presented PowerPoint. So let's start. So if you can see the screen here, we have so many options. Okay, so if you will open a new presentation, so you will get this screen. So what I will do, I will make this blank. Okay, and here you can design and make your presentation as per your desired data or requirement. So यहाँ पे we have so many options like home. You can see if you want a new slide with title slide and title and content and title only if you want, so you can select whatever you want. So I have already chosen blank. So here second option is insert. So in insert you can see pictures. You can insert the pictures from your device or you can search online. So first I will change the background of this presentation. So just go to design. Here you can see so many predefined templates for design are there. Like if you want to select anyone, you can select and see like this, so many templates are there. And if you want only single background color, so you can do this. You can fill it with solid color and you can make this more attractive, like okay, just change this, and here from here you can fill different colors, whatever you want. And after that, text box, if you want to write some text, I will show you how I will make one. So just click on text box and draw this dialog box, and here you can write okay, one here I will give, and one more I will give, two I will give. So यहाँ पे हम और एक दो देंगे. So 2 and insert one more text box. Just give and write MD Learnings. So welcome to MD Learnings. So now आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे I will select all the 3 text box, and you can give you can change the font size. You can change the font size whatever you want, and like I have changed, and like this you can change the font. And if you want to select and you can change the font also, font design. So whatever font design you want, you can change the font design. And just see something, like I will show you some different formats what I will select. So I will select this. अभी इसके लिए भी मैं एक यहाँ पे select कर लूँगा एक font, and just select these 3, and you can make it more attractive by make it in the center, or just go to your home tab and make it like this. So you can make it bold also. Okay, Control B is the bold shortcut. And if you want to increase the font size more, then you can make it like whatever. If you want to give your predefined years per year like 60, I will give 80. So you can see, you can change the font size and font design from here, and you can place wherever you want. Like this you can drag and you can place it wherever you want. Now if you will see here, so many different tools are there in Raw. Pen, okay, red color pen, and gray color, yellow and orange, so many pens are there. If you want different color pen, you can choose it. So in insert we have options like online pictures. If I have any picture in my device that I can insert. So online also so many different pictures, whatever you want you can search and you can get it insert. You can insert it in that. Like I will search like learning. Okay, I will show you learning. आप एक बार search करो and just see what are the options I am getting. See यहाँ पर बहुत सारा options आ रहा है. इसमें whatever you want you can insert. आप insert करोगे, just select it, click on insert and just wait for some couple of seconds and your picture will be inserted. So here, so this is the source from where picture they have imported. So just delete this and just delete this. Now see image, you got the image, you can insert the image whatever you want. You can search in that online picture dashboard and you can just search it and you can insert it in this. Apart from this, like design में अभी क्या क्या option है. So you can change the slides size. Okay, custom size also है. If you want you can change the size of the slide. If you will go to transition, so many different options are there for transition, like push, fade, mop, wipe, split, reveal, cut. So many slides option, transition slides options are there. If you want any, what is the delay you want between your two slides. Okay, transitions, what is the duration you want. So you can like currently it is 2 seconds. If you want any sound, so that also you can select. So like this you can select the transition and animation. If you will go, like so many different animation options are there. Like appearance, what is the appearance. If you want your slide to appear in any different format, so you can select the animation. Slides, so if you want to play the slide from the beginning or from current slide, if you want what current slide you have selected. So if you want the slideshow to begin with the current slide, so you can just select from current slide. If you want a custom slideshow, you can select custom slideshow. If you want to record the slide from the beginning or from the current slide, you can record it. Here record option, you can see screen recording is there. Okay, so screen recording options are there, or screenshot options are there, video audio options are there, export to video. You can make this and you can make a video of your slides. So if you will go to review, you can check the accessibility and so many options are there, like spelling test is there, languages. So translate, if you want to translate anything into any language, so you can see. And if you have not seen my like how to use translate, I have shown you in Google Docs how to use translate, Google Translate, to translate from one language to other, and you can click on the I button and you can see the Google Docs video. Now if you will go to view, here so many options are there, like outline view, slide sorter, note pages, reading view. So these you can select, and if you want fit to window, like your slide will be it, you can fit your slide into the proper window size. And color also options are there in the view option, black and white, color, new window if you want. So many different options are there. Okay, so in a single video I can't explain each and every option, but I will give you a overview how to just I will give you overview of each and every options. Okay, and if you will try, definitely you will get to know how to make your presentation more attractive in PowerPoint. So here you can see in file options also, like save option, generally it is there. So here so many predefined templates are also there. Okay, so themes are there. So if you want any specific theme, or you can select it from these options. So here you can see like modern geometric theme hai, color swatch. So ये सब क्या है, प्री डिफाइंड प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड्स है. आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो फॉर मेकिंग योर प्रेजेंटेशन मोर अट्रैक्टिव. एंड आपको कुछ डिजाइन नहीं करना पड़ेगा. इट विल बी अ प्री डिफाइंड टेम्पलेट एंड जस्ट आपको अपना डेटा फीड करना है एंड योर प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी रेडी. स्लाइड शो, record, review, view. So these options are there. Basically we are using insert, draw, design, okay, for making our presentation. So here so many add-ins also. If you want to add anything like some web enhanced web add-ins, you can add. Zoom options are there. If you want to add comment in any of your so you can add comment also in your presentation. Apart from this, you can select the word art. So I will show you how we are selecting. Just select your slide and just go to the word art, and you can change your like you can insert any, like this what I have inserted text box. You can insert directly, you can insert a word art, and you can change the design of your word. And symbols also options are there. Chart option is there, smart art, chart. And if you want any shapes, you want to insert any shapes like this, if you want to insert any shape, just you have to draw it. And if you want to change the color of this, just right click on this, and यहाँ पे आपको fill का option आ जाएगा, style का option आ जाएगा. If you want to give any comment, new comment का option आ जाएगा, animation style का option आ जाएगा. Like see, these options are there. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको एनिमेशन का ऑप्शन दिखाया था. यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी आपका ये एनिमेशन आपने इंसर्ट किया है, ठीक है. सो अभी आपको कैसा अपीयरेंस चाहिए, सो इसको सेलेक्ट करके जस्ट यू हैव टू फेड फ्लाई लाइक दिस, सो इट विल मेक योर प्रेजेंटेशन मोर अट्रैक्टिव. और एनिमेशन के बीच में आपको ड्यूरेशन क्या चाहिए, इफ यू वांट टू गिव लाइक आई विल गिव यू लाइक दिस. सी अगर मैं यहाँ पे 5 सेकेंड देता हूँ, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस. अभी देखिए इट विल टेक 5 सेकेंड टू अपेयर. डिले, सो यू कैन इंक्रीज द डिले ऑल्सो. सो एक बार आप क्लिक करोगे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि, और with previous, so reorder animations, like animation also effect option, so many bottom left. so आप यहाँ से देखो, ये आप effect option select किया है, तो आपका जो animation आ रहा है, ठीक है, like fly in, float in. so from left you want it should come from left, from top left, from top, from right. so आप ये सारे select कर सकते हो, and you can make your presentation and slides so more attractive. Designs, already I showed you designs. बहुत सारे predefined designs है जो कि आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे, सो यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा. ओके, आप ब्राउज भी कर सकते हो थीम को. थीम अपना जो इसका प्रीडिफाइंड सो मेनी टेम्पलेट्स है. अगर आपके पीसी पे कोई टेम्पलेट सेव किया हुआ है, तो आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. और करंट थीम जो आप प्रीवियसली स्लाइड में अगर कोई थीम सेव किया है आपने, तो उसको भी आप यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो दिस वाज हाउ वी आर यूजिंग पावर पॉइंट. और पावर पॉइंट का यूज़ करके यू कैन मेक योर प्रेजेंटेशन मोर अट्रैक्टिव, you can make your slide show more attractive. And just try it and you will get to know how to use it. Just experience some of the things and try to use some of the things like transition designs, and आपको पता चल जाएगा कि उनको कैसे यूज़ करना है. तो जब तक आप यूज़ नहीं करोगे, you will not get to know. So just start once, try once and learn something. So guys, I hope आप सबको समझ में आया होगा, and you learn something what is the use of PowerPoint and how to use it for making your presentation more attractive. So see you soon in our next video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, bye bye.